Hey developers! In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates in the Dynamsoft Document Normalizer SDK. Let's jump right in. First, we've made some significant improvements in handling white documents on light-colored backgrounds. The new algorithm now detects document boundaries faster and more accurately, providing a smoother scanning experience. Next, the algorithm performs even better with complex document structures like forms, where inner borders often cause misinterpretation. It now clearly distinguishes between document borders and internal borders, reducing the need for manual calibration and enhancing overall performance. And for ID cards, bank cards, and other similar documents that often feature rounded corners, we've made further optimizations. Our SDK now more effectively locates those rounded corners, helping to refine the border detection process and minimize errors. So that's a wrap on the latest improvements. For more information, check out the documentation.